Want to know how to delete a mail in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Shortwave website or the application, and you should be under this interface. Now you can just simply open up any mail that you want. So I'm just going to open up this mail for me right here, and this should look something like this right here. And now deleting it is super simple. On the top right side, right beside down, you should be seeing this trash can icon. You can just click that, and now it should automatically be deleted. So as you can see right here, it should also say deleted thread on the bottom right side, and you should be good to go. And that's it. You can also do this for multiple ones just like this, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.